First question of the day. If there is a disease with blood in the stool. A. Diarrhea. B. Piles. C. Typhoid. D. Indigestion. The correct answer is B. Piles. How many bones is a baby born with? A. 100. B. 200. C. 300. D. 400. The correct answer is C. 300. Which bird does not lay eggs but gives birth to young? A. The eagle. B. Penguin. C. The camel. D. The bat. The correct answer is D. The bat. Eating any vegetable reduces body pain. A. Tomato. B. Potatoes. C. Papaya. D. The carrot. The correct answer is A. Tomato. Which animal sleeps standing up? A. The cow. B. The horse. C. The elephant. D. The giraffe. The correct answer is B. The horse. Eating any vegetables increases allergies. A. Tomato. B. The carrot. C. Eggplant. D. Potatoes. The correct answer is A. Tomato. What fish is forbidden to eat for heart patients? A. Cotton fish. B. Cuttle fish. C. Boilfish. D. Shrimp fish. The correct answer is D. Shrimp fish. Who is the author of Grandmother's Closet? A. Rabindranath Tagore. B. Jibanananda Das. C. Dakshinaranjan Mitra. D. Golden Goddess. The correct answer is C. Dakshinaranjan Mitra.